Gen Z boy.
You are always been my baby, you are always been my lady. Wala nang iba, dahil ikaw lang talaga. You are always been my baby, you are always been my lady. Please stay with me, baby, dito ka lang sa aking tabi. Araw-araw ikaw ang gusto, minuto ka ang hanap ko. Pangako ko sa'yo, nandito lamang ako, hindi magbabagong pagtingin ko sa'yo. I just wanna say that I want you, that I need you. My love is only for you. Just I want you be my forever. Gusto ko lang ding iparamdam sa'yo na kahit ano man ang mangyari, pag-ibig ko sa'yo lang palagi. Mananatili sa'yo hanggang huli. Hanggang huli. Baby, please stay with me. You are always been my baby, you are always been my lady.